YouView is a hybrid television platform that combines traditional broadcast television with internet-delivered content. As of 2025, you can set up your YouView box to work offline, though with some limitations. To set up your YouView box offline, you'll need several essential components. First, an aerial connection with a good Freeview signal, an HDMI or SCART connection to your TV, a power supply, and the remote control. The physical setup process is straightforward. Connect the aerial cable to the RF input, the HDMI cable to your TV, and plug in the power cable. These connections provide everything needed for offline operation. Once connected, power on the box and you'll see the initial setup screen. Select your language and region, then choose Skip or Set Up Later when prompted for internet connection. This allows you to proceed with offline setup. The box will automatically scan for available Freeview channels. This includes all the major UK channels like BBC One, BBC Two, ITV, Channel 4, and Channel 5, plus many more digital channels available through your aerial. With offline setup complete, you can access several key features. You can watch all live Freeview channels, view a basic electronic program guide showing current and upcoming programs, and if your model has a hard drive, record and playback content. However, there are significant limitations when operating offline. You won't be able to access on-demand services like BBC iPlayer, ITV Hub, All4, and My5. Catch-up TV, streaming apps like Netflix, and advanced features like series linking also require an internet connection. Your YouView box is now set up for offline use. You can enjoy live television from all major UK broadcasters and basic recording functionality, providing a solid foundation for television viewing even without an internet connection. Using a YouView box offline comes with significant limitations that you need to understand before making this choice. The most significant limitation is losing access to all catch-up and on-demand services. BBC iPlayer, ITV Hub, All4, and My5 will be completely unavailable without an internet connection. Your electronic program guide will be severely limited, showing only current and near-future program information. You won't be able to browse backwards to see what you missed. Beyond missing services, offline operation creates several technical limitations that affect the overall performance and reliability of your YouView box. The setup process itself may be incomplete, with some configuration options unavailable. The box may also be less stable due to missing updates and patches. The television industry is rapidly moving toward internet-dependent platforms. This trend affects the future viability of offline YouView usage. Understanding when offline setup is appropriate versus when you need an internet connection is crucial for making the right choice for your viewing needs. If you do choose offline operation, following best practices will ensure optimal performance. Additionally, UK broadcasting regulations require certain offline capabilities. UK broadcasting regulations require YouView to maintain basic Freeview compatibility and offline capability for emergency alert systems, ensuring these core functions remain available. While offline YouView operation has significant limitations, it remains a viable option for users with specific needs. Understanding these constraints helps you make an informed decision about whether offline setup meets your television viewing requirements.